Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Shamierul Muiz. So today I would like to show you the nature of decision making and problem solver. Let's get with our topic, which is decision matrix and how it affected our decision. What is a decision matrix? A decision matrix is an approach for visualizing a decision problem. The method involves the use of tables in which alternatives are calculated against the various states of nature. The decision matrix assigns a consequence of each alternative and each state of nature to assist us in making decisions. Assign utilities to outcomes is the most popular technique to represent their values. In other words, we assign an approach to make a decision more precise by computing the total scores. The greater the score, the better decision is. Criteria of decision matrix. The criteria of decision matrix consists of some steps that will lead us to creating decision. A decision matrix consists of rows and columns that allow the evaluation of alternatives related to various decision criteria. There are 6 steps for decision matrix. For step 1, identify alternative. In this step, we identify the different options and alternatives available for the decision at hand. Step 2, state of criteria. For sure, every alternative might have their own criteria which will determine our decision. It should be specific, measurable, and relevant to the decision. Example of criteria might be cost, quality, time, risk, customer satisfaction, and so on. Step 3. Assign weight for each criteria. In scale, we might assign our own value. Each criteria have their own weight value, will be used to determine how important or not the criteria is. Step 4. Design the scoring system. In this part, you have to identify how important the scale is for better understanding. For example, for scale 1 is less important, meanwhile 5 is the most important. Step 5. Assign values and calculate the total score. In this step, you have to assign scores or rating to each alternative for each criteria based on the designing scoring system. This involves evaluating and assessing the performance of each alternative against each criteria. The scores are then multiplied by the weight assigned to each criteria, and the total score will be calculated. Step C. Analyze the score and decision. In this final step, you analyze the total scores of the alternative to make decision. The alternative with the highest total score is typically considered the most favorable option. These steps help streamline the decision-making process and provide a systematic approach to evaluating and comparing options. Let's begin. For the step 1, there are 3 alternatives which are Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV, iPhone 14 and Google Pixel 7. Step 2, stated criteria are the price, camera quality, smartphone design, RAM and battery life. Step 3, weight for each criteria. Price 5, camera quality 4, smartphone design 2, RAM 5, battery life 4. Step 4, design scoring system 1 to 5. 1. Low priority, 2. Moderate priority, 3. Neutral, 4. High priority, 5. Very high priority. Step 5. Assign values and calculate the total score. Let's assign the value and calculate the score. Step 6. Analyze the score and decision. Based on the table, I came to decide that I will choose Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV to be chosen as my next smartphone, as it scored the highest in the table. In conclusion, the use of a decision matrix helps eliminate bias and subjectivity, providing a more systematic and transparent approach to decision making. It ensures that all relevant criteria are considered, weighted according to their importance and objectively evaluated. For decision maker, it is a must to consider decision matrix as approach for creating decision, as it distributes every aspect of criteria with different value.